In this video, today I'm going to show you some ways to make some decent amount of money. If you do this correctly, you can earn more than $1,000 without taking much effort. We are giving you the money sources as well as the methods to do the work. So stay tuned till the end of the video and don't miss any of the sections. Here we go. Hi, this is Money Making Girl Online and I welcome you all to my channel. Go to Google and type this money making how stuff and press enter. Click this website and go into it. You can see lots of money making articles are available here. Click this content writing category and we can see there are some valuable articles available. Okay, let's quickly go through them one by one. You can earn $100 to $300 per article by joining this program. Here you are submitting your articles for a magazine called Vibrant Life and you can easily find that website by going through this link. The topics you must write the articles are given here. Those are health, exercise, nutrition, self-help, family, spiritual balance, challenges and triumphs, environmental stewardship, informational, interviews and profiles. To join this program, you have to contact their editor and as well as for all the submissions, writing queries and suggestions. As you mentioned earlier, payments per an article will be in the range of $100 to $300. Now we are going to give you our method of writing a good article. Pick one of the given criterias. Okay, we will take the health category. Just go to the Google News website and you can find a lot of health related articles from this tab. See, there are a lot of highly rated websites here. Pick 2 or 3 articles that are related and get the content from them to a notepad. Then arrange the article by removing the unnecessary parts. Keep the article to around 1500 to 2000 words. Then separate the paragraphs where you think it is necessary. Then copy the first paragraph and go to the spinboard.com. Paste the paragraph here that you copied earlier. If you need any of words to be ignored from spinning, please type those words here, so they will not change like other words. After that, click this box and press the go button. You can get the rewritten spin text from here. Then copy that and replace the paragraph in the notepad. Like that, you can rewrite the whole article. Now you have a perfect article that can be submitted to the magazine that we talked earlier. Okay, now you have an idea how to write some good articles in an easier way. So with that in mind, let's look at the other 4 websites that are paying money for article writing. Okay, let's go through this page quickly. Here you can earn up to $900 per an article. This program is also about writing articles to a magazine. This magazine is covering all aspects of the RV lifestyle, including travel destinations, activities and events, the newest motorhomes on the market, do-it-yourself projects and RV service and repair recommendations. This magazine is giving 8 to 10 opportunities for the freelance features each month. So if you wish to write any articles, you can see the topics here that they are recommending. If you want to join, you have to submit your articles to their official email provided in their guide. For the articles that they are publishing, they are paying money ranging from $50 to $900. You can read all the writers' guidelines by going through this link. Let's move on to the next one. Here you can earn up to $150 per an article. Earlier, this website was popular for taking travel articles, but due to the COVID-19 pandemic, now they are focusing more on new experience with virtual internship programs, virtual volunteering, virtual learning, online teaching and other international jobs, and online learning to teach English as a foreign language. To join, you have to send them a link to your portfolio of articles, or you can send your blog link to them. You can earn $75 to $150 for the articles you submit. The cash out method is PayPal. By going through this link, you can go to their website and read all the details that they have provided. The fourth article that we are going to show you is about a website called Trust, which is paying $100 per submitted article. We covered in detail about this program by our last video. We have given the link to that video in the description below. So if you are interested about this program, please watch that video. Without taking much more time, let's move on to the next article. This program is only available for the US citizens. In their website, they have clearly mentioned how they are doing their payments for the articles that writers are sending. Here you can see a calculator that you can calculate the earnings. And you can calculate the income by changing the quality of the article and by changing the word count. So you can see that you can earn up to $600 per article. To register this program, please follow the instructions that are provided here. We hope you love the video and the information we provided to you. I need your support to grow, so make sure to like the video and subscribe my channel. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something today. This is Money Making Girl Online, and I'll see you in the next video.